Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to remove your debit or credit cards in your PayPal account. So it is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell so that you know we're missing out videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, once you log into your PayPal account, you are going to see at your left hand side you are going to see bank and card details. So you simply click on this three dots here. So guys, once you get here, you are going to see your bank and your credit card. So you click on your credit card since you want to remove a credit card, that's a debit. Okay guys, after that you simply need to what? Scroll down. You are going to see remove credit card. So you click on it, remove credit card. So guys, after that, if you want to continue this process, if you want to remove your credit card, you simply click on what? Remove this card. Your card will automatically be removed from your PayPal account. So guys, that is actually the way you remove your credit card from your PayPal account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.